California has long been known for its issues with drought and wildfires. By looking at the past and comparing that data with the present, climate change experts such as those behind Volume 1 of the 4th National Climate Assessment, NCA4, have predicted that issues with drought will continue to be a growing threat to California in the future. In recent years, California has experienced both agricultural drought through soil moisture deficit and meteorological drought through precipitation deficit. This affected communities large and small through diminishing water reservoirs, decreased agricultural production, increased wildfires, and loss to wildlife habitats. Although California droughts have long been an issue, dating as far back as 850 CE, the reliance on water supplies is at an all-time high, aggravated by significant population growth, with agriculture alone requiring nearly 80% of the total water consumed by people and businesses. If these drought trends progress as predicted, it could mean significant increases in the price of water, agricultural businesses having to move or close down, animal species dying out, and the threats of wildfire seeing whole areas becoming uninhabitable. California should continue water rationing with golf courses, lawns, car washing, and swimming pools, while also trying to lower overall emissions through alternative energy sources. It may also be good for them to reevaluate their agricultural production, choosing commodities that take less water to produce, for example, switching from dairy production to fruit and nut production.